Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be having a look at Trains in World 5. So let's just get straight into it. This is my first ever time going on it. Sorry that I'm so late. The problem is, whoa, this is actually nice wondering. The problem is, unfortunately, I haven't had time. Downloaded it and all that, and I got the add-ons, but I haven't had time to play it. So here we go, I'm going to have a quick look at it. Sorry that I think the view isn't the best. It's just, if I place the camera somewhere else, I ain't going to be able to even make a video. Now it looks really nice. I've seen this off the thing where you buy it. Looks nice. I'm really excited to see what... Wow. This is quite nice, actually. Now... I mean, I've been on the game and like just choose my character, but I've not driven any of the trains yet. When I said I've never been on it, I've been on it. I've not been on a train. I've just like made my character like that. There weren't good options of characters, so I just put that. Choose that. Now we're gonna be having a look, see what trains I've got. Wow, really cool. I've heard about something being a god mode, so let's try it out. I mean, the time when I'd been on choosing the character, unfortunately didn't have enough time to make a video or even go on it. I click on the train. Why can't I do a journey? Maybe train. Let's see what this is. Train depot. I remember this from Train to Mode. It was a bit like this in Train to Mode 4, and you have to go like something like this. I don't know why you can't get the L and the R sooner in Train to Mode 5. Or you can. If you can get the L and the R sooner, please do tell me in the comments, because I truly don't know how. I don't think you can train to Mode 5. What I don't like about the trains in Wales is they could... Now this is really brilliant and looks so fun. But what they could add is like maybe London to Edinburgh, not these short little ones though. That's why we were on. Like in Trains in World 1 2020, it is. You could actually do the full journey. But I'm just going to choose the London to Glasgow and we go from... No, I'm just going to try it. This is looking good, yeah? I'm hoping you guys enjoy it. What's the time? Okay. And just to let you know, it's going winter now, so it's getting colder, especially in England. It's only 8:09 and it's kind of dark. Pretty dark. Now, whoa, that looks cool. This looks cool. What's this? This is the horn, of course. What kind of train doesn't have a horn? Except one from 1920, a steam train. Let's try this. Whoa. This is actually London Euston. I've never been to London Euston, but I've actually seen videos when people are in London Euston. This looks so realistic how it actually is. Whoa. This is actually cool. Oh, come on. This isn't cool to you, or I don't know what the hell is cool to you. Not all people like trains, so. I mean, I like trains and I went off them, and now I went on planes and now I'm back on trains. What? I'm acknowledged. I kind of didn't do any training, I just got straight into it. What's this? I don't remember really. Please stop going off alarm. Now I need to have a look inside the train and see if it's actually realistic. We're going to open the doors. Next station. When we're going up to Watford Junction, I don't want to make this video too boring, really. No way. I've seen people... So, Avanti used to have us all... With the old seats, I've been in the old first class. But I went off trains. I've never been in the new first class. I've seen videos on it. And it looks really good. Now it does look good. I've been in the old first class. Yeah. I want to close my doors. There's a button here. Passenger door able. Close button. Let's press that. See what that does. What I could have done how I opened it, pressing this button on my controller. But wait, no, I can't go. I need to check the economy. Can't go. It is. Oh, what the? Maybe we don't check economy. Yeah, maybe we don't check economy. Oh my. Can I just have a quick walk, please? Man. Oh, what the? That sounds premium. Oh my. Do you know what? I ain't having it. I'll try to check. Do we just over? Okay. You guys probably can't hear the sounds of turn it up a bit. It sounds so real. Trust me, I've been on it in real life before, so I know what it sounds like. Speed limit's 25 miles per hour. Right, I don't want to go over speed, so my speed limit's 25, I'm at 27. No way, we're going down the Surrey. This looks cool. I mean, I've been on this train in real life too, like Birmingham, Edinburgh, Glasgow. I might be going on to Carlisle. Not too long, but I'm not too sure yet. And in this train, I've been to Birmingham, Penrith, North Lakes, Glasgow, in first class in it. I was on this once. I got on a stupid Voyager. I call stupid Voyager, which I call stupid Voyager now. While I was on it, you couldn't go past like maybe Wolverhampton. We had to get on London. We had to get on Oh no, I can't see. This is the thing I need to do. There's a horn. Oh my, I was right next to it. Here we go. I do know there's a service that calls all like Watford Junction loads of stops, and I know there's one that goes straight London and Warrington. Inspections on this service. The service probably calls it not Warrington. Oh no, train. So with my inspections, the service probably calls that Watford Junction, Milton McKean Central, Rugby, Birmingham International, Birmingham New Street, I forgot, Sandwell and Dudley, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Crewe, London Banking, Wigan North Western, Preston, Lancaster, Oxton Hill District, Penrith for the North Wing, Carlisle, Baby Lockerbie, Motherwell and Glasgow Central. Is this still? Oh no, I'm over speed. Oh no. Oh no. Slow down, train like that. Whoa. I love the way it tilts. I've been on it in real life before. I do actually feel it tilt. Yeah. Completely dark again. Now we're going to do a search for the horn. Is there something? What's that horn? Oh! Finally! That's what it looks like from the outside view. I don't know where. Is this the way I'm going now? Here we go. Oh, whoa. I'm over speed. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I can't see. I can't see that well. Yeah. Not like because my eyesight's bad, because we're in a dark tunnel. Oh, phew, finally. Good eyesight. If I didn't have good eyesight, maybe I might not be able to go to screen. Pulsation. Just to let you know, I'm the kind of person that can't help but try and do the horn every second. I'm just right now trying to resist myself from doing that. Now it looks really cool. If I can't get onto the thing how to be a god, well actually YouTube how to do it, because all I've heard about is in Train to World 5 you get to be a god. I've seen a video One of these in real life. Oh, I wish. Is that another London Underground station? Maybe overground as well? Sorry the video went off for a second then, it's because while I've gone on it just gone to 10 like oil, so I was just having a drink there now, so I want to run advantage, so I didn't know but it just stopped it for a minute. The advantage are massive. I don't know if I'm going to go up to Watford Junction. So, I know what my speed limit is, so I need to hurry up here. It's first class. I need to have a look how good in detail the economy is. What I do about the trains, they could put a bit more detail in the front, but yeah, the inside, brilliant. Right, here we go. Let's try it out. Not try, I mean, whoa. That's actually what it looks like. We make a little tilt here. So, we're going to go to the main menu here. Change them out. Oh, I just tried to show you guys the standard edition one. You probably might be able to see it. I have deluxe edition because I've seen on the standard one you didn't even have the Avanti, and I'm more to get a better version because I got Trains in World 4 on the standard edition. And it's good. I didn't know about the training centre in Trains in World 4. But it just showed up. Well, I did know about it actually in Trains in World 4. Trains in World 4 because I'm starting knowing about it. I don't know about it. And I've missed out on Trains in World 3 because I went off trains and then I've not got Trains in World 3 now. We're gonna, I don't know, have a look at that thing that it said about something. No, like, not something, about being a god. Now I'm just gonna spawn in. I'm guessing you can just, when you're the driver, you just turn into a god. What? There was only saying trains, one was the class 350, so I'm gonna try this. Let's see what I want. So what I'm guessing is I'm gonna have to turn into a god somehow. Wait. That's alright. That's better. I didn't know that. I didn't know it was gonna say it like that. Oh, sorry if that was too loud then. The music's just gone up way too loud then. Tell you what this music reminds me of, Trains in World 1. Because the Trains in World 1 was so good. Oh, thank you, London North Western, for helping me. Is that a ladder? I don't see a ladder anyway. Yeah, look. Doesn't look like it's a ladder, but okay. Euston. New London Euston anyway, but okay. London Euston, but okay. What? Is this showing me what to do? What? Do I just... That was unexpected. What do we do with this? Oh no, that's the wrong way. That's the wrong. No, don't close. I thought that was going to be something I already do. Right. This feels actually quite easy. Then all the passengers come on. Imagine you. I wonder if you had to do the tickets. That will be cool. No way. That will be cool if you had to do the tickets. Imagine someone just having a ticket and like, oh my, what the have I just done? Maybe I should just return. That was an accident. I thought that would be like a thing. Alright, let's try this again. Hopefully it actually works. Hopefully. And now, I know how to do it all. So it'll be good. Right, just before, and I had no idea, my brain got taken out because I didn't know what to do. Right. To be honest, I was always a big fan of Milton McKean's. It looked dead cool. I didn't realise how far away it was from London Euston now. There's literally so many people on this. I'm just going to sit here. I'm just going to walk past them, ask for no ticket, which I probably can't even do that. I don't know. I'm just checking something on YouTube right now. See if we get to do the tickets. Oh, I guess I'll wait. Right. Got my volume at 0, so yeah, I'm just having a look. Or should I Google it? Wait. I'm turning off. Turn it off. Turned it off. It's just said you actually can do your tickets. Well, not your tickets, the passengers' tickets. And it looks cool. Hopefully no one comes with an invalid ticket from 2019 from a Virgin train for some reason to Edinburgh. I'm getting on this train in 2024, almost 2025. So a few bit months behind. Are you getting it on or off this train, mate? Good luck finding a seat anyway. I've been in first class on this train before. Even economy class passengers were allowed first class only because the train we were on and the advance you can't go past a certain area. What is this saying to? I can't. I will this bit now. No, I don't want to open the local door. It's already open. That's cool. Come on. Watch this now. Oh, I was going to try to get him to drive off. When I was thinking, how much tickets? 2 tickets. 2? What the? Talk to. What date is it? I don't know what date it is. Okay. Oh yeah, it's 27. Because I got told in school. Well, dang it. No, I told in school. Let me actually do something. Making up English books. You're not, mate. You've got on a train to London Euston when you're going to Glasgow Central. I've been to Glasgow Central before, and it's definitely not in London. It's in Scotland. I'm sorry, this ticket's not valid. Get off my train now! And my game says on this game it's 3:31. Who would get on the train at 3:31 in the middle of the night though, seriously? Perfect. Thank you. Sit down, get comfy. Make sure your bum doesn't fall off the seat. Alright. So we're gonna open the local door. That's unfortunate, isn't it? I'm gonna run around the whole train. I'm crying, everyone. Right, was just running around the train and mess on it. I'm going to do a poo on the train. Oh no, where's the toilet? I think. The passion chair, I'm definitely not having diarrhea. Let me in! Let me in! Let me in. I wish they'd let you in the toilet still in this game. What do you mean my controller batteries are low? I've just put new ones in. And after these controller batteries, that's it, I've got none. I've got one, and I need two. So after these ones are gone, I'll have to go to the shop and get more. I can feel the strain. Well, I can't feel it, but I can notice it the way it's turning. Let's walk through the train and find an available seat, an actual available seat. I can hear the train slowing down. I want an available seat where it's two. Oh, finally. Oh, hello, you two. Is that guy a boy or are you both gay or something? I don't know. Hello. You meant to bring a seatbelt with you on this train. It's London North Western. We're not Avanti, we're strict with our rules. You'll bring a seatbelt on this train or you'll get kicked off. Slow down, faster now, faster. Right, we're gonna get ready, we're gonna open this, I'm gonna open this as quick as I ever have in my life. Come on! Stop. Yep. What do you mean? Why do I need to press the signal? Oh, yeah, I need to hurry up, don't I? I can't do it. Oh, I won. Do. Oh, yeah, one. Do. Oh, yeah, one. Do. Come on, passengers. Because they've got toasted. Bin. Five tickets. 5 people gone on train, sorry. Only 5. Okay. Bexley to Bakerham said, I don't know why you're getting on this train if you're going to travel like 3 miles. You should drive through a car unless you don't have one, or walk. Okay, maybe don't walk 2 miles, I don't know what I'm saying about that. Unless you're in a walking group, you can walk 2 miles. If you're in a walking group, walk 2 miles. It's easy enough than taking this stupid little train. It's too busy. Helmpool Meanwhile, I can Helmpool Hempstead. Wait, I didn't check the date for now, the person one before. And as you can see, I ain't accepting tickets from the 19th. It's 27th. I'm sorry, you're getting kicked off. And the British police are going to arrest you. I'm going to put you in jail. I'm going to fine you all the infinite money in the world. And you're going to get off my train now. Excuse me, which one of you here did this? Yeah, was it you, little cat? Give me some time to run. Okay, go. Ticket man coming through. Make yourself out of the way. Don't care if you're gonna wee yourself. Have a little wee somewhere else. A little wee somewhere else. And there's nothing you can do about it, little boy. Come on, let me control. Ah! Yeah, I've had enough of this train driver. I'm gonna stop this train somewhere. No way. I'm gonna find the emergency brake and stop this train. Where's the emergency brake in here? Professor. Where is the emergency brake? Oh! Mr. Driver, shut up and get in there. Shut up and get in there. Drive the train. Can I jump out the train? 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 Hi. Hello? Hello? Hi, Peppa Pig. Hello? So guys, unfortunately that's it for today. I cannot be bothered doing an hour and a half video. Thank you for watching. I'm not recording on tape hour. So what I would rate Trains in World 5 is a, not say 5 out of 5, but I mean 10 out of 8, because you can't go forward. The journey, but it's really cool and good. Your aunties? What are your aunties? So thank you for watching. So thank you for watching. I did that on purpose. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one, and peace.